One of the hardest parts, I think, of this piece is that it includes basically two conversations that have to take place. One is about school and learning, and then you have to transition or change the conversation over to where they talk about how to get out of Digitopolis. So here's what mine looks like. But, but, Milo stammered. Milo changed his mind, deciding that there was no time to waste. Can you please tell me how to get to Digitopolis from here? Milo politely asked. No can do, Mrs. Forsakerson sang out. The only way out of here is the way you came in. She turned back to her students and promptly collected back the tests, even though the class was not finished. Milo walked back down the hall and out the rusted school doors to the parking lot where Talk and the Humbug stood. So you've got to get him back to Talk and the Humbug. We need to leave here quickly. I think I have an idea, Milo told them. Talk reached around to wind his clock and check the time. I agree, Talk chimed in. We have wasted entirely too much time already. We must get moving along. What I was thinking was that we could use some of the beams on the riverbank to build a raft. That way we can get all three can get across the river with the car, Milo explained to Talk and Humbug. That is a splendid idea. Way to persevere, Milo, and not give up. Milo, Talk, and the Humbug complimented Milo, and they headed back down toward the riverbank. So you can see that I showed that he learned something when Talk and the Humbug said to him, way to persevere and not give up. Because you have to show that he learns to not give up. Either Talk can say that, Humbug can say that, or Milo can say that, but one of them needs to say somehow and show that Milo has learned to not give up. So you have today and tomorrow to type your first draft and finish it. So you're going to write it and you're going to revise it. And then on Wednesday, you'll edit with some friends and then you will publish. So take your time, get out your dialogue planner. I literally went through page by page and I wrote what I had and I added more to it. So that was just a planner. That's not your narrative. So use it as a guide to write your narrative today.